ACCA is truly global. It's recognized in 180 plus countries. If you want international opportunities, ACCA gives you more flexibility because you can enroll right after class 12 only. But for US CPA, you must have a bachelor's degree. Like many students, are you also confused between ACCA and US CPA? Wondering which one is better for your career? Well, stick around because in this video, I am going to tell you why ACCA might be the smarter choice for you. Let's dive in. Number one reason, global recognition. First things first, ACCA is truly global. It's recognized in 180 plus countries, including UK, UAE, Canada, Australia, and Singapore. But US CPA, well, it's mainly valid in the US. If you want international opportunities, ACCA gives you more flexibility. Winner, well, I would choose ACCA for this point. Number two reason, eligibility and entry requirement. You want to start early? Then ACCA might be the right course for you because you can enroll right after class 12 only. But for US CPA, you must have a bachelor's degree and in most cases 150 credit hours, which means you can't start immediately just after school. ACCA gives you a head start in your career. Number three reason, time and exam flexibility. Time is money, right? So ACCA lets you complete the qualification in just 2.5 to 3 years max, and you can take exams 4 times a year, that too at your own pace. CPA, on the other hand, you only have an 18-month window to pass all 4 exams. Rules definitely are strict here. One fail and you might lose your credits as well. Winner? Well, because ACCA gives you the flexibility, so I would choose ACCA here. Number 4, career scope and job opportunities. Let's talk jobs. With ACCA, you can work in top MNCs, Big 4 firms, banks, and even tech companies across the world. CPA is great if you only want to work in the US or US-based organizations. But if you dream of working in the UK, UAE, Canada, Singapore, across the world anywhere actually, ACCA opens up more doors for you. More career options? Go for ACCA. Number 5, and I think very valid point, cost comparison. Which one is most affordable? Let's talk money now. ACCA is much more affordable than US CPA. ACCA costs around 2 to 2.5 lakhs on an average, including your exams and registration cost. However, the US CPA will easily cost you approximately 4 to 5 lakhs. And that's not even counting the license fees involved. So if you want a budget-friendly, high-value qualification, ACCA seems to be the winner here. Final verdict, why choose ACCA? So let's sum it up. Number 1 reason, global recognition. Work in 180 plus countries. Number 2, start right after class 12. No waiting there. Number 3, flexible exams, study at your own pace. Number 4, more career opportunities, Big 4 MNCs, global roles. Affordable and cost-effective as well. Save more, earn more. The choice is clear. ACCA is the smarter, more flexible, and globally accepted qualification. Thinking about starting your ACCA journey? Drop your questions in the comments and let's get you on the road to success. Till then, thank you. God bless.